How long does a car battery last with the radio on? Leaving the radio on while your car is off may seem harmless, but it can significantly affect your car's battery life. The answer to how long the battery will last with the radio on depends on several factors, including the car's make and model, battery condition, and whether other electrical components are active. Factors affecting battery life. First, a newer battery can withstand longer usage of the radio without draining completely. Older batteries that are near the end of their lifespan, about 3 to 5 years, will deplete faster. Second, the capacity of the car battery measured in amp hours will influence how long it can power devices like the radio. Larger batteries, common in trucks and SUVs, can provide more power than smaller ones found in compact cars. Third, basic radios use less power compared to high-end systems with amplifiers and subwoofers. A typical car radio draws about 0.5 to 1.5 amps, while a high-performance sound system may consume up to 10 amps. Fourth, the louder you play the radio, the more power it consumes. A lower volume setting reduces the drain on the battery. Fifth, if other electronic components such as lights, screens, or charging ports are left on, the battery will drain even faster. Even background systems like climate control or car alarms can contribute to battery depletion. General lifespan estimates. For a healthy battery with no other electronics running, a fully charged car battery may last anywhere between 2 to 4 hours with just the radio on. High-end systems could deplete a battery in as little as 1 to 2 hours. If your battery is older or in poor condition, you may notice a much shorter time before the radio shuts off or the battery becomes too weak to start the car. Avoiding battery drain. If you plan on keeping the radio on for a while, start the car every 30 minutes to allow the alternator to recharge the battery. Ensure that devices like interior lights, phone chargers, or air conditioning are turned off to reduce battery drain. Signs of a weakening battery. If your battery is nearing the end of its life, you may notice signs such as dim headlights or interior lights. A sluggish engine start. Clicking sounds when turning the key. The radio or electronic devices cutting out intermittently. Conclusion. While it's fine to enjoy some music or talk radio while your car is off, it's important to keep track of how long the radio has been running, especially with an older battery. To maximize battery life and prevent unnecessary wear, monitor power usage and be aware of the battery's condition.